Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to watch Apple Keynote events on your phone in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Safari on your phone and go to the official Apple website at apple.com or Apple Events. Here you will see a list of upcoming past Apple events. Tap on the event you want to watch. Next, tap the play button in the video window. The Keynote event will start streaming directly on your phone. If you want to watch in full screen, tap the full screen icon at the bottom right of the video. You can also pause, rewind, or fast forward by using the on-screen control. It is helpful if you want to rewatch a product announcement or skip ahead. For convenience, you can also add the Apple Events page to your home screen. And that's it. Now you can easily watch Apple Keynote events on your phone anytime, whether live or recorded. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.